Good morning, student. Today we are also dealing with the chain termination. In chemistry we found different types of reactions, but we are dealing in organic section. In chain termination, we find that here the basic is chlorine with a single electron or single radical makes chlorine molecules. As CS3 plus chlorine radicals give CS3Cl, and C with here radical and here radical gives ethane, and this ethane comes in traces. Now the question is asked in the examination, does ethane comes in traces? The answer is yes, and this is the whole process how ethane comes in under traces. Now we will study about how can be prepared or how can be attained from alkene. As alkene mentioned, it is double bonded by HX. Here we find that the symmetrical and non-symmetrical, which is symmetrical and which is non-symmetrical. In case of symmetrical, there are two carbon atom or two similar compounds side by side, CS2 and CS2. Both are at the same reaction, and this is symmetrical. But here the compound is CS3CH and CS2. Here there is no CS3CH, so it is unsymmetrical. So for the condition of symmetrical, we must have both the compound in the same process, CS2 and CS2. And when we react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, here H is positively charged and chlorine is negatively charged. Here comes the one important and very much important rule, that is called Markovin's rule. And in this rule, what is this rule? This rule deal with the negative part of addentum. What is addentum? Addentum means molecules to be added. This part deals with negative part of addentum, which goes to double bonded carbon chain atom having the less number of hydrogen atom. This rule deals with the negative part of addentum, which goes to the double bond carbon atom with least number of hydrogen atom. Here we find that the least number of hydrogen atom is present here, CH, and here CH2. Here the hydrogen atom is more, so H is combined with C, this compound, and Cl negative is combined with H2, CH2. We find that the two major part, one is major and minor part. Major part where the chlorine atom is added,